Hi friends, in this video I'll tell you how to create your part list and then we have to make our pressure network. So first we will click on this setting tab and then we have to search the pressure network. So here you will see the part list. So these are already the two part list that one created by Autodesk, but like as you started a new project, so you have to create your own part list, and sometime you have to ask your client also, because in most of the projects these part lists are created at client end and they will share it with you. So if it is a new project and you are working on that, then you have to ask your client that please share me the part list so that I can start making the pressure network. But if somehow sometimes you will not get this one from the client end, then you have to create your own. So we have to click on the new one. So you will give your the name as per your requirement. So like I'm giving it a name of uh, water care. So I'm giving the name. Then here is the catalog. How this one is automatically uh, loaded from Autodesk end. But if you want, you can add uh, new catalog. You will add new load a new catalog. So you will click on this one. If you want, you can add any of the one. Like we have to add PE, that is polyethylene. So open. So if you will see here, then there is one more catalog added. And if you want to unload, then you have to just click on this one and then unload this one. So this is the way how you have to load the catalog. Now you have to click on the pressure pipe and then you have to create your part list for the pressure pipe. So we are adding the materials. Here we click on this one. So here you will see, as previously we have loaded only the PVC catalog, so we have seen only the PVC pipe. So click on this one and then you will see here that there is a part list. There is a uh, part list created for your pipes basically. This is the style, render material, pay item when you calculate for this one. So we have to click on this one to add the size basically. So click on that one and like we have seen here, these are the uh, properties of a pipe. So you need to add size of the pipe, like this one is for 12 diameter. So it's on you, like if you want you have to add all sizes, then it's fine, or if you want a single then you can add a single also. So like right now we have to add a single one, then in the next I have to tell you how to add the multiple also. If you will see here, there is only a single pipe. So in this way you can add the single pipe. Right now I'll delete this one. Okay, then I have to add size again. So it depends on your requirement, like how much dia of pipes you are needed. But you can, if you click on add all sizes, then what happen? It will add the all of the sizes pipes. So right now we have added all of the sizes, and same, this is the style, this is the automatic style, that one taken by the Civil 3D. Similarly the layer, then we have to add the fittings. In the we follow the same process. So we have to add type in fittings, like what comes in fitting, there is elbow, T, coupling and reducer. So which one you want, you can add. So right now I am adding all. So all of them added. We'll see here PVC elbow, PVC T, coupling and reducer all are added. So right now the fittings are added, but their sizes are not. So the same way we follow in the pressure pipe, we have to go with the fittings also. Here you are like if you will see here, this is the elbow and these are the sizes. So if you want a single one, then you can add a single one, and if you want all, then you can add, click on the add all size and you can click OK. Now if you will see here, then all sizes fittings are elbows are added. Similarly, in the same way, we have to follow on the T. We click on the all, add, same for coupling, add, same way for reducer. Click on this one. Okay. Now we'll go with the appetances. Same way, we have to add type. In appetances, if you will see here, there are the walls and hydrants. So which one is the requirement for your project, you can add that one. Right now I am adding only one. There is an air wall and the single one for hydrant. Now you can see here air wall is added and above ground hydrant is added. So in the same way we will add the size. Same, if we need all sizes, then we click on this one. We will not all sizes, then we click on this one, and then you'll see here the sizes are automatically updated. If you will see here, there is the standard style is automatically. So we click on apply and then OK. We'll see here now there is a new part list created with the name of the water gear. If we will come here, we'll create pressure network. So I'll give the name uh, pipe 1. You can give the network description. So I'll give here is water 63 dia. Same, you can give the pipe run name. So right now I'm just giving the name with this one, but you can follow as per the standard of your client. So now you will see here the part list, which one we want. I don't want standard, I don't want water, I just need water care. So I'll choose this one. Now it's about pipe size. So we are creating for 63 dia. So we have choose 63 dia. Now we have a surface uh, with reference we can take the cover. So I have created a surface with the name of EG existing ground and it's about the cover. So right now we are taking a 3 meter cover. This is just automatically taken from Autodesk. So you have to change that one also. I'll show you how. I'm taking right now 1.5. Okay, press OK and then here you can select the style, which one style you will follow. But right now I'm not choosing anyone. So it's OK. And I'll start with the point here, here. This is about the angles. So this one is 11.25, this one is 22, this one is 30, 45, 60. So which one you need? So as per that one, you can click on that one. I'm taking straight, straight and escape. So here your network is created. Now you can come here and then if you will see, then there is a pressure network created with the name of the pipe 1. But you will like you are saying that your pipe is not visible. So what you will do, you will come on pipe and then you will come here as if you will see here there is a Style, which one style is following center line, that's why it's not visible to you. If you will come here, then we will go here and change the with the another style, that is double line, and we'll clock on this one. Now if you will see here, this is the same way our pipe is coming. And now same way you can select the fittings also, but I'll show you how to go with the fittings also. Same way, we can click on the style and choose another one. We will select fittings. Okay, now the fitting is also visible. So in the same way, you can do for all pipes. And just give me a second. I'll show you all. Hmm, there is also fitting. Okay, fitting. Here we have changed the same way we can do for the like here also. This is the long process. I'll like in general we can change from here also, and I'll tell you the another option where we can directly change for all the pipes. So right now, if you will see, our network is created, and we can select our network and then can see it in the object viewer. So if you will see here, then this is our pipe. I'll zoom it and will show you. We can change the view. Oops, sorry for that. So this is our pipe, this is the elbow, and this is the continue in the same way. You can change the view also here from, and now it's in a realistic mode, so it will more visible to you. Sorry, yeah, okay. So in this way, you can create your part list and then create your network. Uh, thank you guys, and subscribe. Keep sharing and subscribe my channel. If you have any kind of doubt, then ping me, drop a message. I'll check your message and revert back to you. Whatever kind of you have a doubt, just ask me. I'll try to resolve it as soon as possible. Thank you. Thanks a lot.